Hello and welcome to the 3xLOGIC INFINIAS Web Series. Today we are going to continue taking a look at the 3xLOGIC INFINIAS product. And today we are going to take a look at the actual hardware itself. So the 3xLOGIC access control door hardware is a single door controller that is scalable. It is about the size of a deck of cards and it comes in one format. So if you have 5 doors, you would have 5 EIDC32s, or if you have 8 doors of access control, you would have 8 EIDC32s. This is a very powerful device. It is able to store all of your event data, your user data, your schedule data, all of that information in case of any kind of network outages or any issues that you might have with your network. As long as it has local power, it will still function as a local device. So let's take a look at some of the other features of the EIDC32. Obviously, we have a couple of different outputs that are available on the device. So if you have the locking mechanism on your door is going to be a strike or a mag lock or a pull rod or an electrified strike, we have options for both. This is either a PoE powered device, or you can use a power supply, for example, like an electronics power supply that you can plug in and power up the EIDC32 and the devices that you have. If you are using PoE power, you're looking at 750 milliamps of total available power on that Ethernet connection. So as long as all of your devices are 12 volts and the total power device count for that particular door is under 750 milliamps, the EIDC32 will power up all those devices. If you are over 750 milliamps or you're using 24 volt devices, then I would recommend powering all of your door devices with a power supply. Besides the outputs, we also have available inputs that you can use for door contacts, for push to exit, for free exit motions. All of those different types of devices can be interconnected, or if you have maybe a fire alarm input that you want to unlock your door or doors, you can do that. We will take a look in another video how to generate rules inside of the INFINIAS software so you can control multiple devices from the same controller. Also, we have input devices for card readers. So we support a large amount of card readers. We have everything from the standard 125 kilohertz to maybe some of the more proprietary HID, MiFare, XSEED-ID. This is a true anti-passback or a card in, read a card out device. So if you want a reader on the inside of your door and a reader on the outside of the door to be able to get those reads and have it do different functions, the EIDC32 does have those capabilities as well. Built-in tamper, as well as a warning buzzer if the cover or the lid of the EIDC32 is taken off. Because of its size, you can mount this in a large amount of places, including above the door on the secure side of the door, in a janitor's closet, in an IT closet, using some of our third-party peripherals that we'll also talk about in another video. This concludes this video. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to sharing more INFINIAS tips soon.